Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you felt something was off in a relationship, but you couldn't quite put your finger on it? Maybe it was a friend who seemed to laugh at your expense, or someone who never invited you to hang out. What if I told you that recognizing the subtle signs of someone who dislikes you, even if they hide it well, can save you a lot of time and emotional energy? Let's take a moment to explore this idea together. Imagine you're at a gathering, and there's that one person who always seems to make jokes about your flaws. At first, it might seem harmless, a little teasing among friends. But pause for a second and consider, are these jokes really just playful banter, or could they be calculated digs meant to undermine your confidence? Humor can be a double-edged sword. It can bring us together, but it can also reveal insecurities and hidden agendas. The next time someone cracks a joke at your expense, ask yourself, is this really funny, or is it masking something deeper? Think about the last time someone made a comment that stung more than it should have. Did you laugh it off, or did it linger in your mind long after the moment passed? This is where self-awareness becomes crucial. We often brush off hurtful remarks as harmless fun, but deep down, we know when something doesn't sit right. It's essential to trust those feelings and not dismiss them. Now, let's talk about backhanded compliments. You know the type. You look great today. I didn't think that outfit would work for you. These comments often come from someone who feels threatened by your presence. They may want to keep you in your place while pretending to uplift you. Recognizing these disguised insults is crucial for maintaining your self-worth. It's like looking in a funhouse mirror. The reflection may be distorted, but the truth remains. Your value isn't defined by someone else's insecurities. Have you ever experienced that sinking feeling when someone gives you a compliment that feels more like an insult? It's infuriating, isn't it? You deserve friends who celebrate your successes without reservations or hidden motives. Reflect on this. When was the last time you felt truly appreciated? How did that make you feel? It's vital to surround yourself with people who lift you up rather than tear you down. Let's dive deeper into social exclusion. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to conveniently forget to invite you to events? Maybe it was a birthday party or a casual get-together with friends. Social exclusion can feel like a punch in the gut, especially when it comes from those we consider friends. Missing invitations are rarely accidental. They often signal a lack of genuine interest in your company. It's not just about missing out on fun. It's about feeling unvalued and overlooked. Take a moment to reflect. When was the last time someone made an effort to include you? Think about how that felt compared to those moments of exclusion. Confronting these feelings can clarify your standing in relationships and help you decide where to invest your energy. You deserve friendships where your presence is valued and celebrated. Speaking of energy, let's consider availability. If someone is constantly busy when it comes to spending time with you, but seems free for everyone else, take note. True friends prioritize each other, regardless of their schedules. Think about it. If someone values your friendship, they will make time for you. It's not about being available 24/7. It's about showing up when it matters most. Now imagine this. You've had a rough day and reach out to a friend for support, only to hear crickets in response. Meanwhile, they're posting pictures of their adventures with others online. That feeling of being left out can sting deeply. Ask yourself, do I feel supported by those around me? Genuine friends stand by us during storms. They don't vanish when we need them most. Physical contact is another telling sign in relationships. If someone consistently avoids touching or getting close to you, it might indicate discomfort or a lack of connection. Consider how important physical touch is in building intimacy and trust. When was the last time a simple hug or handshake made you feel welcomed? Addressing this avoidance can reveal underlying issues that need to be discussed for the relationship to grow. Let's not overlook support during tough times either. We all face challenges, moments when we need our friends the most. If someone disappears when life gets tough, their absence speaks volumes about their priorities and investment in the relationship. Picture this. You're going through a breakup or dealing with a personal crisis, and the people you thought would be there for you are nowhere to be found. Their absence can feel like betrayal. Ask yourself, what does true support look like for me? Genuine friends stand by us during storms. They don't vanish when we need them most. Reflect on those moments when you've needed help. Did they show up for you? If not, it's time to reevaluate who deserves space in your life. And let's not forget about gossip, the silent killer of trust and respect in any relationship. If someone is talking behind your back, it reveals a lack of respect for both you and the friendship itself. Recognizing this behavior can protect you from betrayal and help establish healthier boundaries moving forward. Have you ever heard something hurtful about yourself from someone else? That feeling of betrayal can cut deep, especially when it comes from someone close to us. Remember, true friends lift each other up. They don't tear each other down. As we navigate these signs of hidden dislike, it's essential to reflect on our own experiences. Think back to times when you felt undervalued or disrespected. How did those moments shape your understanding of friendship? What did they teach you about setting boundaries and valuing yourself? In conclusion, life isn't just about surrounding ourselves with people who smile at us. It's about recognizing those who genuinely care versus those who merely tolerate us. Every small step we take toward understanding our relationships builds a foundation for healthier connections in the future. So the next time fear or doubt creeps into your mind regarding someone's intentions, remember, trust your instincts and prioritize those who uplift and support you. As we move forward together, ask yourself, how can I cultivate relationships that nourish my spirit? Surround yourself with those who celebrate your successes and stand by you during challenges. Life is too short to invest energy in people who don't appreciate your worth. Every choice you make today shapes the narrative of your life story. Choose wisely and embrace connections that empower you to be your best self.